Why you need to set up conversion tracking. So if you want to track how many users sign up for your newsletter, download your app or purchase your product after seeing your ads, or if you want to know which keyword or ad group and campaign are driving the most conversion and revenue for your business, or you want to know how much are you spending to acquire each conversion and what is your return on ad spend, or how can you understand customer behavior insights, or how can you generate an enhanced report, or you want to know how can you improve your landing pages, ad copy and bidding strategy to increase your conversion rate and lower your cost per conversion, or you want to know how can you make better decision for your business to become successful. Yes, this is accurate conversion tracking. Accurate conversion tracking will provide you with all this answer in quickly. So, if you want to set up conversion tracking for your website, you can contact me. I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. So, you will get all the contact information on this video description.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video like this, then you can subscribe to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day. Take care.